Industrial designers develop the concepts for manufactured products such as cars, home appliances, and toys. Industrial designers work in offices in a variety of industries. Although industrial designers work primarily in offices, they may travel to testing facilities, design centers, and more. A bachelor's degree in industrial design, architecture, or engineering is usually required for entry-level industrial design jobs. They consult with clients to determine requirements for designs, sketch out ideas, or create renderings, which are images on paper or on a computer that provide a visual of design ideas, and present designs and demonstrate prototypes to clients for approval. Industrial designers must have artistic ability, computer skills, and mechanical skills. Being an industrial designer is rewarding in so many ways.
The most rewarding thing about the work that I do is probably when the product gets released to the public and then people start buying it, and then I can walk around and I can see people wearing it and be like, hey, I worked on that. I was part of that team. I helped make that color. I made that decision. And that's really rewarding to me to like just see it in the real world and people actually using it.
What I do as a car designer is I design everything you see. A lot of people ask me, what does that mean? I'm the one that comes up with the vision of how the car looks. You see, every car you see starts with a sketch. And it's people like myself who do the sketches and who dream up how the car looks like. And we work with various functions within the company to make that dream a reality.
You should consider career industrial design if you're full of curiosity and you want to learn how things work and you want to invent products that improve people's lives. As an industrial designer, you can work in any point of the product development process. So for example, in the early stage or the front end of the process, you may be doing research, or you could be building prototypes or illustrating concepts that visualize the idea that you're trying to convey. Additionally, if you're the type of person who likes to build and get hands-on, you can be in the shop building prototypes and creating objects that the user can interact with to ensure that these designs are easy to use.
I believe good design has harmony between aesthetic and functionality. And it's not just something that looks beautiful, but it has to work. It has to function.
So some design tips that I would give to some girls are just to start documenting some of your ideas, start sketching it out. If you're not a good sketcher, then either work on it or just write it down. Write down your ideas, go back to them, see how you can make it better. Another tip that I would give is look at these products or these things that you're drawn to that fascinate you, that you're passionate about. If it's a purse, if it's shoes, if it's furniture, or like your favorite chair that you sit in, or your favorite product, your iPhone, really take a look at that and start breaking it down and like, okay, like someone made these decisions to design it this way. Why is this button here? Does it feel comfortable here? Do you like the way it fits in your hand? Does this handle like feel comfortable? And then to take another step further is what would you do differently? How would you make it better for you? And I think that's a really big way to start thinking that way is how can we make this better?
To keep learning about industrial designers, read through the information below.